In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up admin notification. Go to Settings and click on the Admin tab. Click on the three dot to edit the admin's setting. Input the email address on which you will receive email notification. To receive email notification, make sure email notification is enabled. To receive messenger notification, make sure you have previewed a messenger flow on your account and make sure messenger notification is enabled. We strongly advise you to use either email notification, Viber notification, or Telegram notification instead of messenger notification. To receive notification via Telegram, you need to have a Telegram bot on your account. Make sure you have previewed a Telegram flow on your account and make sure Telegram notification is enabled in admin settings. To receive notification via Viber, you need to have a Viber bot on your account. Make sure you have previewed a Viber flow on your account and make sure Viber notification is enabled in admin settings. You will receive admin notification when any of these events happen on your account. You can also trigger admin notification with the Notify Admin action in the Flow Builder. Select the admin that will receive the notification and set the notification text. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.